big carry so me top from the side. Copy shall up
It's vacation for the kids, and I'm sure all the moms out there wants to check out how can they keep their kids engaged into something interesting. So, to all the moms, you can make this super easy and inexpensive Play-Doh and give it to your kids. The good news is, it stays pliable than the usual Play-Doh or the salt dough. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobby Concepts. This is Raj. If you're new to this channel and would like to watch about tried and tasted recipes and tutorials on arts and crafts, mixed media, paper quilling and other related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. We start with today's video right now. Homemade clay or the Play-Doh. If you are using food colors, you can engage your toddlers to play with this Play-Doh. It is safe and non-toxic. Even if the toddler accidentally puts it in his mouth, he would spit it out as it tastes very salty. It is also useful for the motor skills of your toddlers. In a pan, add all the ingredients and mix it with water little at a time. Let everything get mixed without any lumps. Do not start the flame yet. Now it is ready. So, switch on the flame and keep it in medium-low heat. Keep stirring it until the mixture comes to one mass. Family having pets request you to keep this Play-Doh away from your pets as it is highly toxic for the pets because of the high content of the salt in this salt dough. Now reduce the flame to lowest and stir it by flattening it from all the sides so that the moisture contents evaporates. It hardly took me around 4 to 5 minutes. This is the consistency we are looking at. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate and flatten the salt dough for it to cool a bit, maybe a minute or two. Next, apply little oil onto your palms and start kneading it when it is warm and able to handle it. Now it is ready. You can make parts of this batch and add any food colors. Stay home and stay safe is the mantra during this COVID pandemic. So, would highly recommend the moms to make this Play-Doh and give it to your kids for them to get creative and be engaged at least for few hours. I have these powdered food color, so I'm using them. Mix it really well. You can even use gel colors. This homemade clay or the salt dough is very versatile. You can literally add colors before making your projects, or even you can paint it after making your projects. However, you need to allow your projects to dry completely before painting it. Also, you can use any paint like acrylic colors, poster colors or oil paint, etc. apart from the food colors. Wow! My salt dough or Play-Doh is ready. Durva is going to love it. You can start using it right away or cover it with cling wrap and store it in an airtight container and keep it in a shelf where there is not much heat. If you enjoyed the video so far, do let me know by hitting the like button, and don't forget to leave your comments on what you liked about this video. It really means a lot to me. After a few days, if the batch turns sticky because of the climate, you can just pop it into the oven for a few seconds or place it in a pan on a low heat and stir it for a couple of minutes. This remains good for nearly 3 to 4 months. This is an air-dry clay, so no need to bake it after the projects are done. However, it takes time to dry depending upon the thickness of your projects. However, if you are in a hurry to dry your projects, you can still bake it in an oven at 100 degrees centigrade for about 2 to 3 hours depending on the thickness of your project. While doing so, you may have to keep checking your projects intermittently as you don't want your projects to burn. The figurines made out of this lasts for a long time. This tortoise is more than a year now. I made this only to show Durva. However, if you apply clear varnish to your projects, it stays good for more than 2 to 3 years or even more. Last but not the least, you can make your own eco-friendly Ganesha with this dough, and after the puja, for the Visarjan, immerse it into the water at home. The salt gets dissolved in the water and very little residue of the flour remains, which is a bio-waste. You'll make something?
Of course, I'm showing.
No, you can show me later.
Okay, now I'm playing.
Thank you.
This is ice cream. This is a rainbow. This is a caterpillar, clouds, and this is a snowman. This is the grass. This is a hat. This is a cute baby. This is a happy day. Thank you. Bye. See you.
I hope you will try this soon. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I would like to thank you for watching all the way to the end and would look forward to seeing you on another video very soon. Until then, live, love, relax, keep smiling and enjoy your life. Take care.